Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is Kisi Tech at your service. And today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Redmi. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the Redmi Note 13 4G, a device that's been making waves in the consumer electronics market due to its impressive features, affordability, and user-friendly design. If you're one of the proud owners of this stellar smartphone, then you're definitely in the right place, because today's discussion is about a crucial aspect of maintaining your device, LCD replacement. The Redmi Note 13 4G is a popular mid-range smartphone that offers a compelling balance of performance, design, and affordability. It features a vibrant display, a capable processor, decent camera setup, and a large battery capacity that ensures long usage periods. Its appeal lies not only in its specifications, but also in the value it provides to users who want a reliable device without breaking the bank. Why LCD replacement is important. Over time, or due to accidental drops, impacts, or exposure to elements, the LCD of your Redmi Note 13 4G can suffer damage. Common issues include cracked or shattered screens, dead pixels or discoloration, touch sensitivity problems, flickering displays, complete blackouts or non-responsive screens. An LCD issue doesn't just affect the aesthetics, it directly impacts usability and overall user experience. Therefore, knowing how to replace the LCD or seeking professional repair services can save your device from further damage and extend its lifespan. Signs that indicate you need an LCD replacement. Before jumping into the replacement process, it's essential to identify when it's time for an LCD change. 1. Visible cracks or shattered glass. 2. Persistent lines or dead pixels on the screen. 3. Unresponsive or erratic touch behavior. 4. Display flickering or discoloration. 5. The screen remains blank despite the device powering on. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's advisable to consider replacing the LCD promptly. Understanding the LCD of Redmi Note 13 4G. The LCD on the Redmi Note 13 4G is a high-quality, color-rich display, often an IPS LCD panel, providing excellent viewing angles and color accuracy. It is integrated with the touchscreen digitizer, which detects user interactions. Replacing this component involves carefully removing the damaged display and installing a new one, ensuring compatibility and maintaining device integrity. Note, replacing an LCD is delicate work, requiring patience and a steady hand. If you're inexperienced, it's highly recommended to seek professional repair services to avoid further damage. Professional repair services. While DIY repairs can be rewarding and cost-effective, they come with risks, especially with delicate components like LCDs. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with the process, it's best to seek professional repair services. Authorized service centers or reputable third-party repair shops have the expertise and tools to perform a safe and reliable LCD replacement. Preventive tips to protect your LCD. 1. Use a tempered glass screen protector to prevent scratches and cracks. 2. Invest in a good quality phone case that absorbs shocks. 3. Avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures or moisture. 4. Be cautious when handling your phone, especially around water or hard surfaces. Thanks for tuning into Kisi Tech. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech tutorials and reviews. Drop your questions or experience in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and keep exploring the endless possibilities of technology.